Welcome to another video in the series Inventory Management. In this video, we will look at some of the reasons for maintaining inventory. The first reason that we will look at is to protect against uncertainty. Now let's say you are a manufacturer of large fabricated vessels which are used in typical process manufacturing, and the raw material is steel, sheets of steel. So you are a manufacturing company, so you have a manufacturing process. And you have a supplier of raw material, and you do the manufacturing process and then you ship it to your customer. Now let's say you have ordered 50 sheets of raw material. From the supplier, and you are expecting the supplier to ship this to you in the next 5 days, as you need to deliver all the 50 fabricated vessels to your customer. Now let's say the supplier originally promised to supply the 50 sheets on time, but at the last moment says that he is able to supply only 45. So now you will be able to manufacture only 45 vessels and sell it to your customer. This may put a dent on your reputation and long-term prospect with the customer, because the customer has put faith on you and given you this order, but because you will not be able to supply to the customer, your reputation may be tarnished. However, if you have an inventory of 10 sheets, so this is your raw material inventory, and from this inventory you can get 5. So this 45 from the supplier plus 5 from your inventory, and you will be able to meet the customer's demand. And later on, when the supplier gives this additional 5, you can then replenish your inventory back to the levels where you had maintained. So this was the case where there was fluctuation in the raw material or uncertainty that the supplier will be able to supply the items delivered on time. Now the second case could be a fluctuation in demand at the customer end. So originally customer asked to supply 50, and let's say your supplier is able to give you 50 sheets of the raw material on time. However, the customer at the last moment says, hey, I have an increased demand, can you give me 60 instead of 50 at a short notice? Now there is an opportunity for you to make money, that is, you'll be able to make the margins on this additional 10 piece of finished product. So if you have this raw material inventory and you can add 10, then you can manufacture 60 and supply it to your customer. So there is an uncertainty of demand, and in these cases inventory becomes helpful. Same thing could be, for a retailer, you could have a finished goods inventory where you are keeping stock of the product in your warehouse, and as the customer's demand fluctuates, you can use the inventory to fulfill the fluctuation in demand. Now the second reason for maintaining inventory could be to support a strategic plan. Now, let's say the demand in your business is like this. Let's say this is demand quantity and this is time. So the demand is fluctuating. Now, if you have to meet the exact demand without maintaining any inventory, then you will have to keep on fluctuating your raw material supply as well as the number of employees or workers based on the demand. This is going to be very tough. Also, the cost in that case increases because you may have to take workers on a contract basis rather than permanent basis, and your cost might increase. Now, what you can do is that you can adopt a strategy of level production. So let's say this is your production quantity. So as per this strategy, you keep manufacturing a fixed quantity throughout. In this way, if the demand is low, so let's say here the demand was low, then the finished goods are stored in inventory. So here this is store in inventory, and when the demand increases, like here, the same inventory is used to fulfill the excess demand. So this can be fulfill through inventory. So this is another reason for maintaining inventory. And the third reason is to take advantage of economies of scale. This fundamental says that as you increase the quantity of production, the cost per unit of the item reduces. Some companies adopt a strategy of offering lower cost of items to their customers if they order in bulk. Now, this strategy can be supported by stocking inventory. There is, however, a trade-off because inventory carrying also has its own cost. So these are some of the reasons for maintaining inventory.